welcome back to our Australia travels. In this vlog we make our way to the Gold Coast and explore some beautiful spots along the way. Don't forget to like and subscribe to follow along on our adventures. So we've gone to Bunnings, and just opposite Bunnings is Jam Prawn. We found this spot to stay overnight through Park4Night in Currumbin. It's about 30 to 45 minutes away from the Gold Coast, and it's right next to this beautiful swim spot. So, we are doing the Purling Brook Falls circuit hike today, and there should be a pool at the end, which is Warringa pool. We probably won't get in because there probably won't be a lot of water. There hasn't been a lot of water at the moment. But let's see, the hike should be around about 3 hours. I think it's around about 6k. So yeah, enjoy! So we don't have much luck with waterfalls because this is all we've got. It is dry. No one tells you about all the turkeys in Australia, but I promise you now guys, they are absolutely everywhere. There's literally one in the middle of a jungle. You see him? Right there. What is going on? So this is Warringa pool. We've just swam.
It's cold, but good.
It's so cold, yeah.
But we've been acclimatised into cold pools, so we're
yeah,
absolutely fine with it.
We made like a pact to get into a cold pool, at least try and do it once a day, which we've been struggling to do because there's not many of them. So if we see one, we get in it.
If you're going to do this walk, you've got to do this bit. It's an extension of the waterfall. The waterfall is actually pretty disappointing.
Yeah.
But again, there's no rain, so but this was really good. So do this bit.
And we made it. back at the car park. I'm gonna stop and have some lunch.
Hello. So we're just walking around the Burleigh Head Ocean Track and through the forest area as well. Driven down from Warringa pools earlier on, come straight to the very south of the Gold Coast, so we can start exploring methodically from today. We'll start at the bottom and work our way up, and we're probably going to go back to the same camp spot as last night because there are very few around here. Lots of warnings on the backpacker groups and Park4Night for fines and penalties for parking in places where you're not meant to. And we know from YouTube and Instagram that people have been fined or have had warnings put on their cars even though they're not in them. So we won't risk it because it's $1,100 for a fine. So for the sake of driving for 10 minutes to get out, we will. This is really pretty and nice, even though I think we've done enough walking today, to be honest. We wanted to lie on the beach, but again,
Windy.
It's really windy.
So I'm going to find a viewpoint with my binoculars. This is our meal time for the evening. We're having steak and stir fry. This is our setup. We thought we'd do it outside of the van for a little bit of a change. Good morning, everyone. So this morning was a really chilled one. We woke up 6 o'clock quite early, and then we just did some editing and some TikToks and some vlog edits. And we decided it's so windy, so we're not going to sit and chill by a beach because you just can't chill. So we decided to come for a little walk again. We are technically still in Springbrook National Park, aren't we? Mm-hmm. But this one is called Cougal Cascades.
I don't think it's going to be cascading much, to be honest.
No, probably not.
But we do rain the next couple of days, so it's nice in the next couple of days. And we're not too far north, we might come back, see what it's like after rainfall. Yeah,
and hopefully there's some water to swim in, but it doesn't look promising, so we'll see.
That dude that came out wasn't wet, so...
No. Hey guys, so we had the best swim in Cougal Cascades. It was just, it was amazing. It had like a little slide, which was really good. We had to stop at Woolies just to grab some lunch stuff. Made some lunch, had some watermelon. And now we are at Palm Beach. We're just taking the coastal path, which is not very coastal at the moment. But yeah, having a walk and see what the afternoon brings. So this is our dinner spot tonight. Right by the lake, watching the sunset, which is really pretty. Today we are cooking tacos. Good morning, guys. So today and tomorrow is meant to be a write-off with the weather. It's not meant to be great. So we're going to have some admin-y days and some laundry and everything that we need to get done that we've been putting off because we want to go to the beach. So we're off to the gym. We're going to do leg day. Our booked a massage chair as well. They have a massage chair in the gym, so it'll be interesting. It's only like 20 minutes, but I'm quite excited for that.
100%.
A good shower, wash the hair, scrub everything, and then the massage chair. Alright, we'll see you there.
So we're currently being eaten alive in a chair. Oh. How's it feeling?
That's good.
Oh, it's got me lower back.
I won't have my lower back yet.
Oh yeah, it's got me. Oh, this is good. This is what we've got. Oh, I just put my arm back in. Sorry, phone.
First of all, we need to talk to you about how amazing that gym was. Like, the gym itself was great. Like, the stuff that they had was like top of the range. And then we had a lovely shower, and then there was massage chairs. I want to invest in one for the van.
The weather was pretty poor, so we then went and got our laundry done just around the corner. We went for a beer whilst the laundry was being done. It was a treat, a schooner. Schooner's like 2/3 of a pint. And evac out to the Currumbin Valley, the Currumbin Valley again, to avoid the wind and the rain. Unfortunately, we can't go back to that gym again as much as we'd like to today, because with the Anytime Fitness gym membership, yes, you can use any club, but if you use one club more than your home club, the membership transfers to that club. Now, as this one is brand new, and we joined at Port McGurry, which was lovely but old and cheap, we'd end up paying more if we moved to this one. So we're not going to do that. We're going to go to a different one, regrettably, on Miami Beach. See how that goes.
Yeah.
So that's the plan for today. Gym, coffee shop, we've got some more. We didn't get any editing or vlogging stuff done yesterday because we didn't have, there's no signal in this valley.
No.
And the pub we were at, they wouldn't let us use the Wi-Fi. They said they had no Wi-Fi, they did have Wi-Fi.
Yeah, we just couldn't get on.
We just couldn't get on it. So we really need some Wi-Fi to use Kristen's laptop properly.
Yeah. Anything exciting happens, we'll let you know.
So,
Things that they don't tell you about van life is, one, we've parked over there, which is right to the entrance of the park, so we can't cook from the van. And two, it's very, very windy, so this is our setup at the moment to try and stop the wind from coming in, and it still hasn't stopped it.
I'm winning.
It's also cold, but we are trying to make meatballs and pasta.
We're going to.
Hello, thank you so much for watching.
Next video will be our day to Australia Zoo, which we're very excited about.
Yep.
If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, feel free to post comments. We appreciate those as well.
Thank you so much.
We'll see you on the next one.
I come out of the toilet and this is what I come out to. So this is Warringa. Is it Warringa? I think it's Warringa. This is.
Do it again.
I think it's Warringa. Insert a clip here.
Whoa.
Jesus Christ! Thought it was a snake.
That was. Okay.
Good morning, guys.
G'day.
Horsey poop. Sorry.
3 for $5. That's not bad. Not the really did, but.
Hello, guys. First of all, we need to talk to you how amazing that gym was. It was so good.
Talk to you about. Start again. Do it again.
Okay. Stuff. Can't say shit.
You can't talk this morning, can you?
We went and got our laundry done. Yeah, I know I can't talk today.
You literally stop. This is fucking terrible. Stop. Just stop. What the fuck? Put your teeth back in. Take a minute.
You want to go?